Hello, friends. Welcome to Vision Achieved, my daily habit and my daily practice to invest in one company stock. I make sure that I am buying at least one single share of one company after doing a thorough analysis and study. And this is a brief introduction to that video. How do I select the share? This is my daily habit video. Buy one share per day instead of spending on something not required, lavish expenses. A simple habit, spend 200, 300, 500, up to 1000 rupees and buy one good share per day. You have choice. If you like it, you can buy many more shares. So friends, the company I have selected today is Go Fashion India. Why? Because the fundamentals are good. And after doing a lot of study of eliminating many other stocks, I realized this company is much better than many other stock which I studied. And at the same time, it is giving a right technical signal. Today is Thursday, June 1, and we will buy one share of Go Fashion. So for the fundamental analysis, I'm using screener.in, and for technical indicator, I'm using money control, or sometimes I use economic times. And to make investment of one share, I'll be using ICICI Direct. So this is Go Fashion, the fundamental analysis, all the number detail. Go Fashion was incorporated 2010. It is into women apparel, very good brand, doing extremely well. Their total market capital is 5,800 crore and the stock is doing as price at 1,091 crore. So if you divide 5,800 by say 1,000, so there are roughly about 5,800 shares of this company in the market. So that's a big number, 5,800 share. Each share is costing about 1,000 rupees. Let's look into the fundamental. The face value of this share is 10 rupees. 10 rupees today going 110 times, okay, which is good. How is the management of this company? How is this company run? To know that, you need to study these three parameters: ROCE, return on capital employed, how they use money. Number two is ROE, which is return on equity and return on asset. All these numbers are way too above the general interest given by any bank or financial institution. The company currently has a debt of 340 crore. And for that debt, they are doing a earning before IT is earning before interest and tax is 137 crore, and their net profit is 82 crore, which is good. The company must be working to come out of this debt sooner or later. So who will give them this kind of money? So for that, they have pledged about 16% share from their total holding. So the net share they are holding today is 44%, with 16% of 52% being pledged. This stock has attracted a lot of foreign institutions as well as domestic institutions. Okay, so that's the reason this stock is very active in the market, and the public holding is just percent. Okay? So therefore, you will always be safe. Your investment, your stocks will always be stay safe. Okay, so let's get into the sales. This company has created last 31st March. They closed with a sale of 665 crore, which means they needed a loan of 340 crore to create a sale of 665 crore. Okay, and their operating profit was 212 crore. Massive margin is there, and their net profit is 82 crore. There is a significant growth in sales, 65 crore, 65%, significant growth year to year in operating profit and net profit. So that means this company has just come out of its initial loan pressure and now started performing. Okay. Your Trotsky score is 8, which means the financials are stable and growing. Now coming to the interesting thing. Expected sales. Today we are already on 1st June. We are in a new quarter, third month of the new quarter, and this quarter will end on 30th June. So by 30th June, they are expected to close. Expected quarterly sales is 387 crore, which is a pretty big number. So 387 divided by last year they did 665. So in one single quarter, they would be doing 58% of the previous year sales, which is very high. What about the operating profit? So operating profit, they are doing like expected to do 124 crore divided by 212. So this is very good. They are doing 58% of operating profit. And now what about the net profit? Net profit, they are expected to do 64 crore. So 64.5, sorry, 64.5 divided by last year they did total net profit of 82 crore, 82.8. So friends, 77% of last year net profit they are likely to book in a single quarter, which is phenomenal. So this quarter ending on 31st March, 31st June will be a very, very big quarter. The stock has pretty good volume, 25,000 stock per day. Now, considering the retail stockholders are very low, public has only 2.9%. So whenever these FI and DIs, they sell and buy, only at that time the big trade happens. Otherwise, day-to-day average is 25,000. 1 month average volume is 50,000 shares. So yeah, okay. So that's the beauty of this stock. Its fundamentals are great. So now let's move on to the technical side. So this is the Go Fashion technical chart, candle chart per day. Okay, the candle is hovering somewhere at 1081. The stock, as the market is now 3:20 in afternoon, the day will close and the stock is likely to create a doji, and volume is slightly more. Today, 40,000 stock got traded. So this is a good sign because on a Bollinger Band, three red candles, the candle just crossed the lower envelope, and then we got a green candle. Now, if this stock closes green, it is a very positive sign. It will come in parallel to this. So Bollinger Band has already given a signal. RSI says this is not the right time, but then this stock may not fall abruptly because for following reason, unless some big FI or DI choose to move out. We have seen here that general public has shareholding. Public has only 2.9%. The big players have 16% foreign institution and DIs has 27. So unless these people move the stock, this stock may not come forward. But then the stock will definitely grow because of the demand. As the demand will improve, the stock will grow. So the technical indicator says that the stock is likely to give 1304 rupees return in next 2 to 3 months, which may be maximized to 1480. The company's board meeting will happen in the month of August. Last year, the board meeting happened on 10th August, and the results were declared around 10th August. So somewhere around 10th August 2023, you can expect the results of June quarter, and we already saw the June quarter. And the technical indicators are phenomenally positive. So now we will make an investment in Go Fashion. Okay? So how do we do this? Just type in Go Fashion India, one share at market price. Today's market price is 1090. Okay, and on NSE, on BSE, the stock is still 5 rupees expensive. So here is we say buy, and once we say proceed, the whole thing get executed. And if you look at the order book, here is the order book. Okay, so that's how we execute the order. So now exit strategy. Go Fashion India Limited. Today is Thursday, June 1st. And we made an investment of one stock buying at 1091. The exit strategy will be on 10th August. Last year, 10th August was their board meeting where they published the results. Somewhere in the first or second week of August, they would be publishing. That is the best time. And by then, this stock is expected to do 1300 to between 1300 to 1480. And we have to be extremely alert because on those 1 or 2 days, stock will cross and then again may fall. So before it just falls, you have to sell and exit. Okay? I'm Pramod Deshmukh and I do everyday stock market and company performance analysis. And I also run this program called Vision Achieved, which is a daily practice program. We don't give much gyan here, but we practice, practice, practice. We practice like these cricketers. They do same work again and again and again. Same thing we do in this program. We look into many companies and follow certain practice rules to analyze these stocks. So if you want to make money, if you want to learn stock market, and if you want to make money in stock market, then join me. I promise you that in 1 year you would have analyzed more than 1,000 companies, their stocks, their fundamental analysis, as well as their technical analysis. So contact me if you are interested. Thank you very much. Tomorrow I'll come with a new stock. Thank you. Bye.